DIY auto repair.
All right, guys, and we are back, and we're here in this 2001 Lexus RX300, and we got a total of 244,248 miles on the clock, guys. So we got a lot of miles on this 2001 Lexus RX300. So today, guys, we thought we'd bring you along for the ride. We're gonna do a quick little tailgate strut replacement. We're tired of the tailgate coming down and hitting us in the head, so we're finally gonna go ahead and replace the struts, and I thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride so you guys could check it out. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, guys, so we're gonna be changing out our tailgate struts so that it stops falling on us. We have the new ones right here. They're like an off-brand. We got them off Amazon, and compared to the old one, they look very similar. So we're gonna go ahead and remove it. We have a hood rod here assisting with holding up our tailgate because we're solo. So if you have a partner or somebody else that can help hold it, that would be even better. It would be ideal, but we don't, so we're gonna work with what we got. So we have two 10mm fasteners holding it to the base of the vehicle, and then when we come up, we have two more holding it to the actual tailgate lid. So we're just gonna go ahead and pop these off. Okay, guys, so now that we got those taken out, we're gonna go ahead and remove these two, but I want my other hand just to support the tailgate just so we don't have an accident. So I will bring you guys back once we get this off, so hang tight. Okay, guys, so we're almost there. The trick with this one that's gonna be underneath, you're gonna need to get combination wrench underneath it, or you could do like I did. I just lifted the hood and pulled the bottom piece out, so now I have a lot more room to get a socket in here to make it a lot quicker. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this, and then we'll bring you guys right back. All right, guys, so we got our new one installed, and the tip that I can give you guys is this one that I was talking about, where you want to swing the base out so you can get a socket up in here and just make your life a lot easier. When you go to put it in, I suggest putting this in first and making sure you hammer these down first, and then swing your base up here and then install your base to your vehicle. That would be the easiest way to do it. All right, guys, and we are done. So we got both of them installed. I didn't take you along for the second one because it's exactly the same. Like I said, I suggest you mount the two fasteners to the actual hood, the actual tailgate latch, or the actual tailgate before you mount them to the vehicle itself. It's just going to make your life a lot easier. So anyway, guys, got them installed. Very happy with the results. I don't know how long those are going to last. Like I said, they're a cheap set from Amazon. There's really no, it doesn't say left or right hand on them. They do have arrows, but there's no instructions. But we kind of went based off the original ones, how they were installed. So just make sure when you take them out, you know exactly what orientation they are, so you can put the new one back. The stuff does rotate on those, so you can pretty much rotate the ends however you need them to match the original OEM ones, as well as the part that latches to, the part that fastens to your tailgate. It's a little bit different, at least the ones I purchased. They're a little bit different than the OEM ones, but they still worked out perfectly fine. The tailgate opens and closes perfectly fine. Very happy with it. A lot better than what I was dealing with before. So with that being said, we're good to go. So anyway, guys, we'll take you to the computer, give you a look at the ones we purchased, and we could show you guys the reviews. So before we end the video, let's head on to the computer. All right, guys. So I wanted to bring you here to the computer to show you exactly the liftgate hatch struts that we purchased for our 2001 Lexus RX300. And as you can see, here they are. So these are the exact ones we purchased, and we'll go through all that in just a minute. So as you can see, we purchased them on January 1st. We're just getting to them, unfortunately. But better late than never, right? So apparently these are currently unavailable at the moment. Good thing I did pick these up before they became unavailable. I'm telling you, they were around, I want to say $15-$20 for the pair. Not a bad deal at all. Unfortunately, I apologize. These are currently unavailable. It just took me too long to get to the project of putting these actually on the vehicle. And normally I didn't want to make a video about these until I actually put them on to make sure they fit and they work properly. Now long term, we obviously don't know how well they're going to hold up. I will do a video on that if they don't hold up for very long. But basically here they are. And basically anything similar to this is going to work for you. I usually, when I find something like this on Amazon, I usually look at the reviews. And if the reviews are 50-50, I usually just end up taking my chance, or I find a product similar to that has more positive than negative reviews. But sometimes that just doesn't happen, and you have to choose a product that has 50-50 reviews. I will never choose a product that has more negative reviews than positive. But anyway, here is those pictures. Here's the brand. I'm not even going to attempt to try to say that brand. But about this item: placement on vehicle rear, left and right, gate, extend length, compressed length, reference number, fit for 1999 to 2003 Lexus RX300 base sport utility, 4-door liftgate, exact fit, OE quality design, ensures easy installation and precise operation. So if we go down, here's some related products. And this is basically the item that I purchased. Here's all the information here about the manufacturer, the brand. And here's some similar items. So you don't necessarily have to get the ones I got. There's other products out there that would work. But as you could see, based on what I purchased, here's the customer reviews. It had a 4.4 out of 5. Here's some of the reviews. Excellent, no issues so far. Until fits my 2002 Lexus RX300 front-wheel drive. Worked perfect. Sturdy, sturdy, and they had some install issues. Holes do not line up at all. Perfect for great value for the price. So as you can see, there's more positives than negatives. If you guys want, you guys could go on here and check these reviews out. Here's some pictures that people have posted. Now, mind you guys, you're going to get what you get buying an off-brand replacement part from Amazon, especially for the price point that you're paying, roughly $20 to $25 for two of them. If you really want OE quality, you should just go get you an OE part instead of these off brands. My personal opinion, it's a personal vehicle. If it's a personal vehicle, or if it's a customer that understands what they're getting themselves into with this, purchasing a product like this off of Amazon, then that might be the route to go. Personally, for 20-25 bucks, if this can get me several months to a year, that's fine with me. If they end up breaking on me, then I know next time, okay, well, this is definitely not the product, and I might have to go OEM if I want to stop replacing them. But as you can see, here's some other brands. They look a lot. This one here actually looks exactly like, but this does not fit. This one looks, no, it's different. Yeah, it's totally different. But anyway, guys, you could just look and hopefully find one that will fit your vehicle. Also, too, a lot of people could be having problems because they installed them wrong. They installed it the wrong way, and it just gave out because they were installed improperly. So those are also a few things. But anyway, guys, that is a review here. A little quick review of the hood struts that I purchased. Again, I told you these are a little different than the OEM ones, especially here at the top. This right here is a lot different than the OEM one. But I still managed to make it work without doing any damage. So far, they've been working great. I've had them on for a couple days, and they've been working fantastic. So no issues there. If we do run into a problem down the line, I'll definitely make sure to do maybe a little product review on them. But as of now, we are good to go. So anyway, guys, there you have it. All right, guys. So there you have it. There is a glimpse of the ones we purchased, the ones we're using in our vehicle. There'll be a link in the description below if you would like to pick you some up for your 2001 Lexus RX300. So anyway, guys, there you have it. There's a quick little tutorial, quick little video, as well as showing you the ones we purchased on Amazon ourselves. So anyway, guys, hopefully you liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to go down there and hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.